Good day, folks. How y'all doing? This is something I've been waiting for a little bit. Actually 3 or 4 weeks, probably a month. Yeah, it's a bandsaw, meat bandsaw. It cuts, let's see here. Its cut width is 7, 9 and 7/8, and maximum cut depth is 9 and 7/8. So, got a meat grinder on the side. Yeah, should be alright. Hopefully. Yeah. I got this at Princess Auto today. And a few other things. Extra blade for. Bit of sandpaper. Yeah, meat hooks. I don't know what the pounds is on them. 220 pounds. Hopefully now they'll serve me good. I got a magnet, 50-pound magnet there. Should have brought two, $7 for them. I got these there each for $4.99. Yeah, replacement blade now for me hand saw. Yeah. So now we're going to put it together and see how she looks. And we're having a wicked rainstorm. Right now we got about 20 millimeters down, I suppose. 20, 25 probably. And looks like we got another 120 to come. Oh, it's night now. Tonight it's going to be like 10.5 millimeters per hour. This bit of rain going to come down. That's going to happen like 3 or 4 hours in a row. And expect a bit of flooding. A lot of flooding. Right now the rivers is up, and in the road there for a ride there then the rivers is high. I never took no video because it was pouring, raining. Anyhow, we're going to try to put this together this evening, something to do now, and yeah, see how it looks. I'll get back to you shortly. Well, the top took off her. Man, there's some heavy cardboard. Sure, half-inch stick, I suppose. Well, there's a manual with her. Gotta love these books, eh? Gotta love them. Yeah, French and English. And step by step, hopefully. Yes, all the motor and everything gotta be put together. Oh, wow. Hey guys, I'm gonna get at her now and see what happens. Check back with you later. Yeah, this is the diagram. I'll put it together. Easy enough, eh? Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Yeah, we got the stand put together so far. A little bit of wiring done. Now we're about to put in this motor. Yeah, do it. Look, it's done. Look, it's there. Yeah, I can try to see. Yeah. Get back to you shortly there now. Figures out now the motor part. And it goes in there. Alright guys, see you shortly. Well, there we go. I almost got her done. Got to tighten up the belt. Belt down her there now. I got the wiring all done. Not so bad. Yeah, I got to put in this suit fit. Like this, so. So you can cut up 9 inches. Yeah, that'll take a moose. Oh yeah, should be alright once. Hopefully everything works out good. And it's lunchtime. We'll net this now a couple hours actually doing this, so Got her all put together now anyhow, and then final touches like I said, and should be ready to try. Yeah, anyway guys, check back with you later. Well, we done it. We got her done. Together. She had a grinder on her side of her. And she stands up to 9 inches or so. Let's see, pull this up and tighten up that bolt. There we go. It's a good depth. There you go. Almost 10 inches. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Oh, cheers to the Bush Club. Anyhow, let's try her. Here we go. Total weight is 5 foot. Working. Hey guys. A little guess now. Yeah. There's goodness. Anyway guys, I'm going to sign off there now with this video. This meat cutter now come from Princess Auto. I had read a few reviews on it. Some fellow says it's alright and another fellow says not so good, but anyhow, one fellow said no, you can't find the blades, but I picked up one today. Easy enough right there. There's a dozen up there, so should be alright. Anyhow, we gotta go get a moose. So after this rainstorm now tomorrow, we got another 80 to 90 millimeters to come. We got about 35 now or so. It's pouring and pouring outdoors. We're gonna have a driveway wash suit for sure. Hey guys, signed off. Take care and all the best. Here you almost see yourself. Yeah, we had a bit of water. A wicked rainstorm last night, over 100 millimeters. Actually, the river is right there. It goes through the line there. Yeah, nice flood on the go. A few washouts. Wicked. It's all along in there. Yeah, I say she rolls. Well, it's pretty flat here anyhow, you know. Yeah, 5 feet, wasn't it? 6 feet. Windy here too now. I'll show you that there now this morning. Wicked, eh? Yeah. We're gonna go into the cabin that way now and check everything out. So I'll see you in a little while.